Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I want to talk about the story of Nuh alayhi salam and the ark, which is mentioned multiple times in Quran, which teaches us about patience in the face of rejection. Now Nuh alayhi salam was sent to the people who have forgotten about Allah. They worshipped idols, indulged in sins, and ignored all warnings. He stood before them and pleaded, "My people, worship only Allah. He is your creator, He is your Lord. If you don't, a great punishment is coming for you." But they laughed. "You're just a men like us. Why should we listen?" The rich and the powerful even mocked him. "Your followers are just poor people. Why would Allah choose you?" Still, Nuh alayhi salam did not give up. He warned them day and night, in public and in private. But the more he spoke, the more they rejected him. And then Allah revealed to him, "No, they will not believe. Build an ark and do not speak to me about those who reject faith. They will be drowned." So Nuh alayhi salam built a massive ship. As he worked, people laughed at him. "Look at this madman building a boat in the middle of a desert." But then the sky darkened and suddenly water gushed from the earth. The rain poured down like never before. The flood had begun. Nuh alayhi salam gathered the believers and pair of animals on the ark. As the wave rose, his own son, who refused to believe, tried to escape. "Come aboard, my son," Nuh alayhi salam called. But his son refused. "I will climb mountain and be safe. No one can escape Allah's command today." But before his son could take another step, massive wave crashed over him. He was gone. The flood wiped out everyone who rejected Allah. After many days, water finally receded and the ark came to rest on Mount Judy. Nuh alayhi salam and his people stepped out of the boat in the dry land, forever grateful to Allah. This story is about patience even when he was mocked, rejected, and ignored for centuries. And when Allah's justice came, it was swift and powerful. Now this Ramadan, let's ask ourselves, do we stay patient when we face a hardship, when we face challenges? Do we trust in Allah's plan when everything seems impossible? Just like Nuh alayhi salam, true success lies in having faith, lies in staying firm in faith, no matter what the world says.